So the answer to question 9 is $46. Keyword in the question, remainder. So this is a remainder concept. Most of the time, your remainder concept is processed as a fraction question, right? But nothing is stopping it from being tested as a percentage question. It's the same idea because percentage at the end of the day is just a special type of fraction. Okay? So if you are doing it as a percentage, this is how you should process it. I'm going to draw a model. I'm not going to do branching, but if you are comfortable with branching, of course, you can just go ahead and draw branching. So we know that our original bar is always 100%. So this will give me 75%. This will be your 25% left, right? This is money spent on the calculator. You have a 40% remainder means what? Remainder model draw drop down, right? Some of you are still not drawing your drop down model for your remainder, and it's really something that you should take note of. Remainder, if you are going to draw model, draw a drop down model. So this 25%, she spent 40% of this 25%. And then she had 60% left, and this 60% is 6.90. This is the remainder, 40% on the book. Go. There are a few ways that you can process this. So number one, you can do it this way. So 60% of your remainder is $6.90. And therefore, 100% of your remainder, you can go and find 1%, it's not wrong. I'm just going to find 100% directly. You multiply by 100 out of 60 straight away. If you are not comfortable doing it this way, you can always go and find 1% and then times 100 because this is a calculator question. So that will give you $11.50. So now we have found that this part over here is $11.50. Okay? And that gives me 25% of total is $11.50. And therefore, 100% of your total, you should know 25% to get to 100%, you multiply by 4. And that's how you get $46. If you did it by branching, it is fine. Okay? If you did it by branching, your branch should look something like this. So this is 75%. This is 25%. This is your remainder. This is your calculator. And then of your remainder, this is 40% on the book. And this is 60% left. Some of you will directly take this times this, right? Which is actually also fine. Then you will find what that percentage is, and that is $6.90, and then you find 100%.